Hi friends, welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you a quick and easy eye look using the newest eyeshadow palette from Rare Beauty. This is the Essential Neutrals palette that is available exclusively at Ulta Beauty, and it's 8 shades, everyday colors, and I'm going to create a look that I've been wearing a lot recently. I've done a lot of looks with this, about 5 or 6 looks with it, and I really do enjoy this formula and these eyeshadows, so I'm going to show you this look here. But stay tuned because towards the end, I'm going to share with you everything else, and it's all drugstore. Let's get into it. Lids have been prepped off camera, and I use this Longwear Cream Shadow from Makeup by Mario in the shade Sandstone to prep my lids, and I've been doing this for months, ever since I tried this formula out last summer. I have been hooked on it. This actually prevents creasing. It's a nice, smooth, silky, matte look to the lids where it's not gonna look dry. It's not too slippery. It dries down perfectly. It can be an eyeshadow on its own. They have several different shades to choose from, but this one in Sandstone is kind of close to my skin tone color, and it works great. Now let's start with the eyeshadow. I'm gonna go in with the lightest shade called Pastel Peach. That is a matte color. It's the first one in the top row. I'm using mostly the color in this inner corner and through the brow bone. I did do a sweep over my lids, but I'm really kind of focusing that lighter shade in this innermost corner and through the brows. Switching to the BK Beauty 212 crease brush, I'm gonna go into the shade right underneath that color, and that is called Caramel Creme. That is also another matte shade in this palette, and I'm just gonna go into my crease following the natural shape of my eye. Feel free to build this up to the desired intensity that you want for the day. I'm just gonna do a little bit, keep it kind of light and simple. Say it with me, same color, same brush, under the lower lashes. I bet you knew that was coming, because I do it all the time. This palette includes 3 shimmer shades, so you can choose any one that you want for the lids. And I'm gonna show you what those colors look like on the back of my hand. There's 3 different colors, none of them are overlapping. One is kind of like a rose gold shade, one is like a shimmery bright ivory color, and then one has a little bit more of like a golden bronze tone to it with a little bit more gold to it. Any of these shades on the lid would be really pretty, and I've done that already. I've used this palette several times, but I kind of want to use that kind of pinky, almost rose gold shade here, which is this color here called Shimmering Sands. I'm going to use my finger to apply that. I feel like that's going to give me the most intensity and the most payoff, but the color formula itself feels incredibly soft and really pretty, and it's a buildable color, so you can add more if you want more intensity. And that shade is just so pretty. It's really a perfect shade for every day, honestly. Now, if you've been watching any of my videos, you already know I like a little bit of smokiness under the lower lashes. That's completely optional, honestly. If you don't want to do it, skip this step entirely. But I'm going to take this really dark brown. It's called Evening Espresso. On a BK Beauty 204 smudge brush, and I'm going to use that color to add some smokiness on the lower lashes. And I also do like that color as a powder shadow liner on the upper lashes, so I will be doing that as well. I'm going to take a little bit of that tan shade that I put in my crease to blend that line out on the lower lashes. And for that, I need to switch to a different brush, the 207 from BK Beauty. With a little bit of that color, I'm just going to go right underneath that line and blend that right into my concealer and soften that look a little bit more. And now I'm going to take that same color and I'm going to stamp it at the root of my lash, thicker on the outer part of the eye and thinner as I work my way towards the innermost corner. For the inner corner, I'm going to take a little bit of the lightest shade, this one here called Finest Fizz, to add a little bit of something to the innermost corner. And I'm going to use my pinky finger and I'm just going to stamp that color right in this innermost corner. And of course, no look is complete without mascara, in my opinion. So we're going to go in with the Revlon Full-Time Mascara, which is the best mascara they have ever created and launched. This is incredible. And I just bought myself a second fresh tube because I had to have this in my collection. And that is just one coat. Wait until I build this up, 2 coats, and it's gonna be like I just put on individual falsies. If you have not tried this one, look for the shiny red tube. And this is the mascara with 2 coats and then my bare lashes. I told you, it makes such a difference. Revlon, please never discontinue this mascara because this is incredible. And here we are with the full face finally complete. What do we think? These eyeshadows are actually pretty good. If you've thought about getting this palette and you want something that's affordable, that has some everyday colors, this is a good option. And I will say this formula is so much better than their previous eyeshadow palettes. They were never my favorite, but this one I've used probably 5 or 6 times already, and it's pretty good, and I do enjoy the looks that I create with it. So it does get my stamp of approval if you are curious about this. I hope that that's helpful to see a look with this. It is very easy, everyday, user-friendly. The colors have pigmentation, but they blend. They're not hard to work with, so I think anybody anybody, even a beginner, could really make this work. Now, the rest of my face is all drugstore. The lip combo is also drugstore, and I'm gonna tell you that first because right now my lips are on fire. They sting. And it's because I put the Revlon lip plumper. This actually works and you will see a difference. It's not just feeling a difference and tricking your brain into thinking something's happening. It actually works. These are new from Revlon. They came out a couple months back. I'm obsessed with this shade. It's called Magically Inflated, and that's what I'm wearing right now. But I paired it with my go-to lip liner from the drugstore, the Maybelline Lifter Liner in the shade Line Leader. And these two together is giving luxe vibes with the look and the feel. These formulas are fantastic. The mascara was also drugstore, but let me just tell you, my whole complexion was 50 bucks. So I'm gonna tell you what I use because I use these products to create content on another platform, and I thought I'm gonna share these with my makeup besties here on YouTube as well. I started off with the L'Oreal True Match Tinted Serum. Went in with the Covergirl Trublend Concealer under the eyes, and I spot concealed with this as well. I set it all with the Maybelline Fit Me Powder. For blush and bronzer, I went in with e.l.f. products. These are actually fantastic formulas. These are the Primer Infused matte formulas. So the bronzer is in the shade called Tan O'Clock, and the blush is in the shade called Always Rosy. 5 products, 50 bucks at the drugstore, and that's my base complexion routine. And those products all together are giving a high-end look. If I do say so myself, those formulas are spectacular at the drugstore. The only high-end thing that I used for the eyes was the Rare Beauty eyeshadow palette. And then I did go in with the Archibrow Pencil from Anastasia Beverly Hills that I recently picked up. I am obsessed with this. This gives the best looking brows that I have honestly ever done, ever. And if you've seen any of my videos, you know how crazy my brows have been. And now they're softer, lighter, more natural. So I gotta give this credit. But you can definitely sub in your favorite eyebrow pencil, even if it is drugstore, and keep it all affordable. And this palette is, I believe, 30 bucks for all these shades, which is very reasonable. 8 colors every day for 30 bucks. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with the way this looks. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Everything is gonna be listed and linked for you down below. Take care, and we'll talk soon.